Jollibee loves you so much. And dito siya to party with us. Please welcome ang nag-iisa natin, Country's Pop Princess, Sarah Sino ba yun? Yung nasa Vampire Diaries. Nakakatayo na yun. Sikat na sikat siya ngayon. Ah, sikat ba yan? Pero, thank you so much. Pwede mag-isay. And now I'm falling. Why do you always take me wrong when I fall in love? Concert na the bird. Ready ka na, Janica? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! And now I'm falling fast again. Why do you always take a fall when I'm falling in love? Ang galing, ha? At ginawang voice coach idol, ha? Okay, ito na ba yan? Sing song po ba tayo? It's up to you kung ano gusto mo. Pwede natin palitan ng konti kung gusto mo lang. Pero kung ano, parang pantay, parang fair. Parang fair. Okay. Contestant number 2, are you ready? Here we go. Okay, lunok muna, girl. Lunok muna. Up. Are you ready? Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready? Ready? Again. Ito na talaga. Ready, go! Why do you always take the fall when I fall in love? May second floor ang boses. Talaga. And last but not the least, we have contestant number 3. Oh, gagabayan ka ni Sarah. Don't worry. Ready ka na? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! And now I'm falling fast again. Why do you always take the mag-decide. Parang napakahirap. So, hindi natin ang kanilang mga tulong. Ayan. Bigyan natin ang mic. Sarah, let us have your fans help you decide kung sino ba sa tatlo ang pinakamalapit sa iyong gininto ang boses. Masigabong palakpakan po sa inyong pambato. Palakpakan, hiyawan